What's up, my people? It's your boy Soup No the Rain, aka at the verse. But this morning now, you're the verse. At the verse, you know why the verse now? Because of the argument when me and my guy get now. So I can't say make I do the record, make I give you now. So this thing now, make many people they do ritual. So I want make una know the meaning of my name, Soup No the Rain, aka at the verse. Now I want to explain, give you now. Because me and my guy now we get argument today. The argument now when we argue today now I want to know. So I want make una judge am with Europe judgment. Make una not judge am with Nigeria judgment. You know, say Nigeria they already corrupt. Nigeria they believe one thing. They know they believe what Europe believe. Because Europe, if 5 cars they inside compound, you will know say different people they get them. Not be one person go get 5. Now Nigeria not only person whenever now you will see person will be say never marry. You go get 5 cars. You go the say the user they oppress me say because I get 1. I want to tell them now say see how we rate my own money now. Because if they tell me now say he money get money, oh say money get money. Not say me self get money. He say money get money pass me. I go tell say you know get money pass me. We won't rate now. He go tell me say I give me and money not the same. I say yes. He say money get cars. Now I say it's not cars. There's nothing like cars. Now car. He money get car. I get car. You know, concern me whether he get Roseless, can get Lexus, get Range Rover. That one not be my problem. Now see car. I get Golf 2. Now see car. I drive Golf 2 today. He money drive Golf Roseless today. Tomorrow he money go drive Range Rover. And me go still drive my Golf 2 tomorrow. We are still driving the same car. You understand me so? And this car, what we talk now? Even money car now, Range Rover now, he get 4 tires. My old Golf 2 get 4 tires. Tomorrow drive a Lexus now, 4 tires. My old Golf 2 still drive 4 tires. We are still driving car. There's nothing like cars. You could tell me say whether me get house, he money get houses. Houses. Now there's nothing like houses. Anything when you get, when you cannot use once at the same time, that thing, you know they useful. Because if you get house for Ekpoma, you can go get for Agbo. You know if you sleep Ekpoma and Agbo at the same time, one day, one night. No. I dey sleep for my own room. For 3 bedroom when I get, I dey sleep for there. If money they sleep for your whole house when you get for Lagos. Tomorrow, money can go sleep for your whole house again where they Abuja. I still dey sleep for my own house when I still get now for Uromi. We are still sleeping for one house. For house. House. Make you understand me. We are still sleeping for house. Because he cannot sleep all those house at the same time. Meaning we are still sleeping for house. Make you not coach me wrong. The argument be this one. He could tell me say whether he money don't go orphanage home, go dash orphanage 1 million. Now that say me don't go. I dash orphanage 100,000. Because that my own, they not go throw away am. You don't ever see person where they will dash 1 million. Person will still dash 100,000, you can't throw away that 100,000. You say this one too small. Because if you add that joint, it will be 1.1 million. Because if you spend 1 million finish tomorrow, you must go spend this my 100,000. So now those money now, they don't spend the boat money. Now spend and I dash with dash. You understand me? So he could tell me say money now. A roof house with German roofing. Whether na German roofing means you tell say, you know, concern me whether na German roofing. Rain no they beat me for my house. Rain no they beat money for your house. We are still sleeping for one house. Rain no they beat us. The motor when they drive. Now that's the motor me they drive. You get one steering. Both of us get one steering when we drive now. For 4 tire, AC day. 2 seat for front. 2 seat for front. 3 seat no get the motor no get 3 seat for front. So we are still doing the same thing now. We are in the same level. You say money, you go restaurant and go eat. If you go restaurant and go eat 1 million, and I say that one not concern me. You don't come for my own name. No matter the money when you get, now egusi you they eat. If you go buy food 1 million, that one I owe. Now food you eat. You see that maybe eat egusi ogbolo, bitter leaf soup or okra. Me self go eat food for restaurants 5,000 egusi, bitter leaf, ogbolo or okra. We are still doing the same thing. Maybe know they coach me wrong. This is the reason why people they do ritual. They say they want to be like this person. Just believe on yourself. Say you don't even pass that person. You are as in you are that person are equal. Because what thing they do? They say thing they do. Nah. Even money drive you Lexus, Roseless from Lagos to Uromi. Me drive my old Golf 2 now from Uromi to Lagos. and with both deliver. You understand me? So fuel now you buy, me buy fuel. 4 tire. We deliver both the Uromi and Lagos we deliver. Both of us now we not pass up now. The same grant with the pass. We come out for Europe side now. The second we see the pass for the Abuja or anywhere you can pass. So now motor take pass them. Range Rover or Lexus you know. I don't care what you use now. Now Golf 2, but as far as that my Golf 2 they pass and at the same engine they get. Now fuel we they use, we they pass around. You understand me? So the same thing now we see they do so. If him money now, he say him money if he get a private jet now, I say no wahala, I mean never get private jet. But this private jet what they talk now, he will move on from Nigeria to Italy. Me now go free from Nigeria, I go buy tickets, do visa, buy tickets. I go still move with private flights. I will still land for that say Italy. We both land. So far the direction where would they go, we don't reach them. If that one you take on, only that one you take past me, we never even pass me because I feel buy the ticket now still land for the say Italy now. So we both are still the same level. So why we could the reason say people get money pass, we could do ritual, they do 1 or 2 things, could they kill ourselves because of money. We say the what you get, now those people get. My guy, different no day, my guy. Me una know they coach yourself wrong. Go the reason say this person, they make people they do ritual, they kill themselves. Different no day. We are doing the same thing. If they use water bath, you use water bath. You don't see person when they use blood they bath. Now water we take bath. Now soap. If you let me use what did they call her? Tura take bath. The other one can go use what did they call her again? Soda bath. Now they say soap they use. Cream no they when they say 1 million. If you use any cream when you can buy, if you like buy 500,000, I buy Caroton 2,000. Now cream we rub. But you all make you fair, my all make me black. We rub cream. You they use sponge, I they use sponge. As they give you food, now they give you spoon. They give me food, they don't give me iron. Now spoon they give me. So meaning, why would I call the reason say person get money? Now they say this thing they vex me because I take God beg una. Make una share this video. Make una drop the comment now. Beg. Make una share this video. Make una drop the comment. Make I know now. Who they wrong now between me and my guy now? Make una share this video and make una drop the comment. Make we know who they wrong now. Make una not coach me wrong. Make una not go judge this case now. For Nigeria case, we know say Nigeria, why yo the Nigeria now they rate person by what he get cars, houses. But at the end of the day now one that they do. If you like, you sleep out today. I don't feel talk. I don't want to repeat them again. Rate them with the way the Europe they live life. Each person get 1 car for this Europe. Not only Nigeria person will never born, you go get 5 car. But we will call it say that they get money pass. Not be they get money pass. Because if you like me get 10 car, if you drive car today, tomorrow you drive car. Even if you change the car, when you drive Golf 2 today, tomorrow you drive Golf 2. You both are still driving car, no cars. I beg me not drop the comment. I remember your boy JB Nice, aka at the verse soup not the rain. Now my name be that one. I beg me not drop the comment. Make una share this video. I take God beg una because all those arguments I go to bring them. Make people they use that they get sense. Now make me they drop all those things. I want me that they use that they get sense. Make that they get sense. Me not they get sense. Me not know they think say this way. You go drive a Lexus. Say you call the drop go 2 now. Say that one get money pass you. Now 4 tire now the 2 get. If 2 of una start for Europe, say una want go Lagos, una must deliver. Una must deliver. You understand me? So now the argument won't get today be this. So I take God beg una, make una drop the comment, make una share them, make many people see them. I don't even care. Make una share them, make the money see and make it hear waiting I talk. You understand me? So I not cost person. Now just argument be this one. If una like, make una see use comment, they cost me. Because person when they know even cost for Nigeria, I know they better again. Now that cost me even need. I need cost. Make una they cost me because people when they cost for Nigeria, that they make money. I take God beg una, make una share them. I love you all my fans. Shout out to all my guys, man.